Guys, I made a set of weapons. It's like a spy weapons, it's used for spies. But really, it's like, I don't know, it's harmless. But it's like to act like spy weapons. Okay, guys, so here are the three weapons. Let's start with the first one. This is what I call the sniper. Now, let me just prepare this for you. Okay, guys, I prepared it. It's like a little sniper kind of little thing. It has two forms. So it has gun mode. So here's gun mode on the sniper crossbow thingy. Uh, you couldn't see it in the camera, but here's the real sniper mode kind of thing. Okay, for the sniper mode, we have to put it here, and then we're gonna crank it like that. Alright. Oh wait, I'm trying to fix this. Okay, this should work. Oh, did you see that? Did you see the little weird rubber band? Oh well. Moving on to the second weapon, we have a smoke grenade. Now, this smoke grenade is, if you look inside, it's full of powder. Okay, now, it has to be thrown directly at the person, you're at the target, because if you throw it on the floor, the smoke won't reach the thing, the target, or even like do anything to him. So here, I just have to slightly open it. Just wait. There, it's slightly opened. Now, I'm gonna throw this on the floor. It might have a very cool explosion, or it might just flop entirely. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Alright, that was a very cool explosion, but I cleaned it up. So now we have a hidden dagger inspired by Assassin's Creed. Okay, so here we have it on. Now I'm just gonna push this in and then push out. Alright, that's really cool. Yeah.